Hello everybody, hope all are doing good. Today we are going to make ice cream cones. These are the ingredients that you'll need. With these ingredients you can make about 5 ice cream cones. Mix powdered sugar to the egg white. Give a good mix until the sugar is dissolved. Add a teaspoon of vanilla essence. You can even skip this if you don't have the essence. Now melt the butter and add it to the mixture. Now add the flour and give a good mix and our batter is ready. Take a dosa tawa. Before eating it, add a tablespoon of batter to this and spread it. This is done because if the tawa is hot, we will not be able to spread the batter well. Spread the batter with the help of the spoon, or you can even use a silicone brush. I prefer using my hands. It helps me spread the batter evenly from all the sides. Keep the flame on low and cook both the sides for about 5 to 7 minutes. Transfer the sheets to a plate and quickly work on it. Even if you leave for 10 seconds, the sheets will get hardened and we will not be able to make cones. For the ice cream, you will need half a cup of whipping cream, quarter cup of powdered sugar and vanilla essence. Beat until you get stiff peaks. This is the right consistency to add the milk powder. Add about 1/3 cup of milk powder and mix it using cut and fold method. Add half a cup of milk, little by little. I'm transferring the cream to a piping bag so that it will be easy for us to pipe inside the cone. Since we're making softy ice cream, we need not freeze this overnight. Freezing time of about half an hour will be enough. Add a teaspoon of melted chocolate to the bottom of the cone. Our tasty ice cream cones are ready. These are so simple to make and your kids will love this. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. We'll meet you in my next video. Bye bye.